Why Gen Z is broke and how to fix it before it's too late. POV. Your phone buzzes with payment successful, rupees 1,247, but your bank balance is screaming 856 now. If you're currently eating Maggie for the third day straight because payday is 10 days away, this video is about to be your financial awakening. Because being broke at 22, that's not the vibe we're going for. Here's the tea. Average Gen Z salary in India, 25 to 50k per month. But somehow, we're out here spending like hum lakho kama rahe ho. Zomato Swiggy addiction, 10,000 per month. That's 30 orders, sir. I deserve this shopping spree. 15,000 per month. Those Amazon 2 a.m. purchases hit off differently. Netflix plus Spotify plus Prime plus Disney, 3,000 per month. Sharing is caring who? Random treat yourself moments, 5,000 per month. Matcha isn't a personality trait, but here we are. That's a 33k on just vibes. Meanwhile, our savings account is given ghost town energy with maybe 2k if you're lucky. We really said, I'll stress about money tomorrow. और अब वो कल आ गया है और उसके साथ stress भी. Here's what nobody tells you. This isn't just about young people being irresponsible. ये system का design ही है to keep us broke. But no stress, I've made a tool which will help you win no matter the system, and I'm sharing it at the end of the video. Every app is pushing buy now, pay later. Instagram is showing us lifestyle content 24/7. Even paying for things is so easy now. Bas tap karo and boom, money gone. The trap. See something online, feel FOMO. Easy payment in 2 clicks. Instant gratification. Broke by month end. Repeat. But here's the twist. हमारे पास एक बहुत बड़ा एडवांटेज है जो किसी भी जनरेशन के पास नहीं है. If we invest our money, and that is time. At 18, if you start an SIP of 1,000 per month, आपके पहली जॉब से पहले it can become 1 lakh. Let me blow your mind with some math. Person A starts investing 2,000 per month at age say 20. Person B starts investing 10,000 per month at say age 35. Guess who ends up richer at 60? Person A. They invested 9.6 lakhs in total. Person B invested 30 lakhs in total. But person A ends up with 2 crores while person B still gets 1.7 crores. Yani start chota bhi karo, but jaldi karo. That's the cheat code and you have access to it right now. Time for a mindset upgrade. You need to go from YOLO, figure it out later, to let me secure myself and live my best life. Old way. Income 40k, spend 38k, panic about 2k savings. New way. Income 40k, future goals 12k, safety 8k, growth 12k, intentional fun 8k. कुछ notice किया? I didn't say no fun. I said intentional fun. बहुत बड़ा फर्क है between buying everything you want and being able to afford what you actually want. Forget everything you've heard about budgeting. I'm about to introduce you to 4 bucket system that actually works for our generation. Now say your salary is 50k. Bucket 1, dream fund. This bucket is giving main character energy for real. Let me show you how an SIP of 15k per month can fund your dream. Euro trip goal, 2.5 lakh needed. 15k per month for 15 months. Bike, 1.5 lakh needed. 15k per month for 8 months. iPhone 17 Pro, 1 lakh needed. 15k per month for 6 months. No EMIs, no interest. Just pure planning and thoda sa patience. That's how you buy your dreams without going broke. Bucket 2, safety net. This is your I don't need to call home for money fund. Say your monthly expenses is of 20k multiplied by 6 months, 1.2 lakh emergency fund. Save 10k monthly for 12 months and boom, you're financially backed up. Bucket 3, future self. This is for your 35-year-old self who's gonna thank you. 15k SIP at 12% returns for 20 years is 1.35 crore corpus. That's never worry about money again level of wealth. Basically, every 1.8 lakh yearly investment you made, turns into 6.75 lakh yearly returns later. Now you can increase this corpus to a number that screams generational wealth. Step up your SIPs by 10% every year. Let me explain. Same 15k becomes 16.5k next year, then 18.1k. After 20 years with step-ups, you have yourself a 2.8 crore corpus. That's the start of generational wealth, bestie. Bucket 4. Current lifestyle. Yes, you can still have your coffee dates and shopping hauls, क्योंकि life में balance ही असली flex होता है. Just be intentional about it, because it's not about buying everything you wished for, it's about being able to afford them comfortably. Time for the real talk. ये सब actual में कैसे करें? That's exactly why I'm giving you this free tool. Forget complicated budgeting. This 4-bucket Excel sheet does it all automatically. Just fill in the yellow boxes, your salary, monthly expenses, and expected return. That's it. Add your dream goals. It can be anything, from a Europe trip to an iPhone, and in how many months you want to achieve them. The sheet instantly tells you how much you need to invest monthly, how much is from your pocket, and how much comes from your returns. Your safety net and future SIP gets automatically calculated too, so you know exactly where your rupee is going. No formulas, no stress. Just plug and play your way to financial freedom. Download it and start today. To sum it up, this isn't about living like a monk. ये smart spending का art है. This is about having your cake and eating it too, just in the right order. Your homework. Pick one bucket and start this week. Even 1,000 is better than 0. Drop your biggest financial goal in the comments. Let's manifest this together. Download the Excel calculator in the description to plan your own 4-bucket strategy by just filling the yellow boxes. Because remember, broke hona is an aesthetic, but being financially free, that's the real glow up. See you in the next one, future billionaires.